door unit, first thing you want to do is you want to turn off your disconnect or your breaker if you don't have a disconnected side. Here, this one was running, so I pulled my power. First thing I want to do is pull my panels off. Guess I did miss a couple screws. And that's going to expose the inside of our unit. Now on this one, they have a nice little protective door to check to see if we got power. So, and the system inside here or outside is working, or maybe it's working in here but not outside. We would want to check our fuse. Our fuse is right here. It'll be either a 3 or a 5 amp fuse. We'll check to see if that's blown. If that's not blown, the next thing we would do is check our transformer. I'm going to put the power back in order to check my transformer because I got to have power to it in order to check it. Right now on my thermostat, I have it to cool, so it is calling. So I should have 24 volts coming out of the side, but I'm going to check see if I got 240 coming in first. I have 245 coming in. Now I'm going to go over here and check see if I've got 24 out calling. I have 27 volts calling right now, so it's telling me that that transformer is good. So the next thing I'm going to check when I'm checking my fan motor, once I realize my ohms and my resistance is good on that, is I'm going to check my capacitor. This is just a single run capacitor. This is a 10 UF capacitor, so it should be 10 microfarads. I'm going to disconnect all wires from my capacitor. You cannot check a capacitor with any wires hooked to it. So with that being said, I'm going to set my capacitor down. I'm going to put it on ohm or microfarads. And I'm just going to check between these two posts. That should be within that 10. I'm at a 9.13. That is within range of this capacitor. All right. Now I've got my yellow and black wire and my red wire to my fan motor. With the power off, I'm going to check my ohms on these. First, I'm going to go from yellow to black and get my ohm reading there to see what kind of resistance I have on that. I'm at 50.9 on those two. So now I'm going to go from yellow to red. I'm at 40.5 there. Now if I go black to red, it should equal that 50 of the black and the yellow. I'm at 10.6. If I add the 10 plus the 40, that equals my 50.